Hey, let's take a look at 8.3.3a homework. And this is going to be number 4. If a circle has a circumference of c, what is its area in terms of c? So let's take a look. We know that the circumference is equal to 2 times pi times the radius. We know that the area is equal to pi times the radius squared. So in my circumference equation, I'm going to solve that for the radius. I do that by dividing by 2 pi and dividing by 2 pi. That means that r is equal to c over 2 pi. Now I'm going to substitute c over 2 pi in place of my radius there. So area equals pi times c over 2 pi squared. Now, to simplify this, you have to take the c over 2 pi squared and square both the top, which will give you c squared, and the bottom. Well, 2 pi squared, I square the 2 and that gives me 4. I square the pi and that gives me pi squared. Now, to simplify this, I'm going to take c squared times pi over 4. Now, pi squared is the same as pi times pi. So I can cancel that out there like that, and that will give me c squared over 4 pi. And that should be your answer.